The way the faculty teach you the concept, you are never going to forget that concepts in your life. And believe me, for clearing any exam, you have to build solid concepts. So let me give you example. In PSM, Dr. Mukh Mohit sir giving examples in epidemiology and in biostatistics, correlating the PSM with microbiology and pathology. It makes the subject more easier and helps to revise other subjects too. Personally, my favorite Dr. Rohan Khandelwal sir in surgery, making the surgery so much interesting subject. And then Dr. Sakshi Arora ma'am in OB and gynecology, Dr. Rebecca James ma'am in biochemistry, Dr. Raviraj sir for anatomy. So these all the faculty gave their efforts to teach every concept very easily. Learning ENT with Dr. Manisha ma'am was really a good experience. Hello, I am Sanket Patel and I have completed my MBBS course from Tianjin Medical University, China. So basically I belong from Mehsana, Gujarat. And in FMG December 2020, I scored 192 marks. So let me tell you about my preparation and how I cleared FMGE. So in first 3 years of MBBS, I gave more importance to standard books and review books. Like in biochemistry, Dr. Rebecca James, review book of Dr. Rebecca James. And then from the 4th year onwards, I started using Marrow, or my primary source of the preparation was Marrow. So first time I got to know about the Marrow in mid of 2019, and just after that I started my preparation with the Marrow with Plan C. So let me tell you why I chose Marrow as my primary source of preparation. Me being foreign medical student, I do not want to keep my vision limited. So I thought it will be better if I prepare for NEET PG directly. So clearing FMG will become easier automatically. So let me give you some glimpse of this journey. So I started watching masterclass videos and I watched 4 to 5 videos per day for about 1 year and 2-3 months. So I was not fond of writing, so I purchased Marrow Notes. After watching the video, I tried to solve as many questions as possible. And side by side, I tried to add the points from the question bank to the notes, which helped me to build concepts and revise more and more. So by the time I was in the love with this masterclass videos, so I was following the rule of studying less and studying only important content for the exam and revising it more and more. And studying and solving the questions is the most important part of the preparation. So I did majority of the scoring subjects and started revising them. With every revision, I solve the MCQs from the question bank and try to revise those MCQs as well. And I prefer to solve 100 MCQs a day minimum. Let's talk about last 3 months of the FMGE. Here the main part comes. At this point of time, I decided not to touch any new subject and only revise those subjects which I read in the past. So I watched revision videos for the PSM, physiology, pathology, biochemistry, surgery and OB-GYN, and focusing more on the important topics which provided by the Marrow through the online webinar. I completed 3 to 4 revisions before last 2 weeks of the exam. Although I did not read some subjects like dermatology, orthopedics, ophthalmology, psychiatry, but I did not leave them completely too. You know how? I have used custom module feature of the Marrow, and you used it so efficiently by creating a custom module of image based questions for these subjects, and especially for microbiology, OB and gynae, and solving 50 questions a day from that custom module helped me so much in the exam. So I participated in the FMG test series conducted by the Marrow and got to know in which subject I should focus more. In a subject like pathology, I used Marrow Pulse and revised the important tables. So in the last times, I solved past papers of the AIIMS and NEET PG because nowadays the toughness of the question paper in the FMG has increased. So mainly features like creating custom modules, revising from the Marrow Pulse, and solving the question from the question bank helped me and played a big role in my results. I know the last few months of the FMG and this year 2020 was tough for the students, especially for the FMGE students. I want to thank my parents and my sister for giving me strength to overcome all my fears. Their belief in me was so strong that gave me the extra dose of the confidence and courage. I want to thank the seniors who supported and motivated me through this journey, and I want to thank that one special friend who always work as a stress buster and keeps giving you positive energy all the time. Special thanks to Dr. Rohan Khandilwal sir for arranging online FMG webinars and guiding us through this journey in a various ways. So me associated with Mero Marvel program and being a Mero Marvel, I want to share a word of advice to all the juniors. Start your preparation from the very first day. Be consistent. Do not waste the time. Solve as many questions as possible. Revise more and more and do smart studies. Mero provides you everything you need, not only for the FMG but also for the NEET PG and upcoming next exams. Use the time effectively and efficiently. Put your efforts and crack each and every exam so that you can make your parents feel proud. Thank you.